New to SOLIDWORKS 2018, we have the ability to use online licensing for our standalone licenses. This allows for the license to be attached to one user instead of one machine. That user can then switch between machines that have SOLIDWORKS without having to activate and deactivate licenses. As long as the user has internet access from the machine that they want to use SOLIDWORKS on, they are good to go. To be able to switch a license from standalone licensing to online licensing, you'll have to do that through the admin portal, and that is accessed through mysolidworks.com. You can either log in or create an account, if you do not already have one, to log into mySolidWorks. This will be the same email address that you use to access the customer portal. Once you're logged into mySolidWorks, at the top right you'll see your name, and you'll have to click the arrow for the drop-down menu. From here, this is where you access the admin portal. If you do not have this icon, please contact your VAR and we will get this access to the admin portal for you. Within the admin portal, you have access to what members are a part of your company, which you can invite them if needed, what products you have for your company, and you also have access to the CAD admin dashboard from here as well. To switch a license from machine activated or standalone licensing to online licensing, you'll first have to search up what license you want to switch over. So we'll look for a CAD license in this case. We'll go into that product and we'll have to change it to online licensing. However, if the license is currently active on any machines, it will not allow you to change it to online licensing. You'll have to deactivate from any machines to do so. Once it is not active on any machines, you can then change that license to online licensing. And once you've done that, you can then assign that license to one specific user who will then be able to utilize that license to activate on what machines they need. To assign a product to a specific user, you'll have to search for that user first, click on them, and then within their profile here, the member details, you can then assign or remove products from the user. Once the product has been assigned to the user, the next time they open SOLIDWORKS, they'll have to log in using their SOLIDWORKS ID, and then they can use SOLIDWORKS as normal.